Hi, I'm Lamira. I'm the electrical engineer here at Leading Edge Industrial Technologies. And this is Jeremy, our software engineer. We're just working on a couple of things for our HX series, both CNC mill and lathe machines. Right now I'm just assembling electronics boxes for each machine here that we'll be using for a demo. I'm just putting the electronics in right now. Since then we've kind of changed design a little bit, but this is just for the sake of what we'll be using to test. Since then we've changed the color outlook of our actual machine, so now we're going with the gray. Before it was more of a off-white color. Here's our main control board. Like I said, this design has changed since then, so I'll be assembling another board later on this week. This is the stepper drivers here that'll be controlling the stepper drivers for both. This is a lathe setup, the X and the Z axis. Our power supplies, one is powering our drivers, another one that'll be powering other appliances such as our lights, our fan. And I'm putting in a on-off switch here. So it's just very simple setup here that we're doing. And I'll actually do the same exact thing for our mill, which instead we'll have an extra driver for the y-axis. Here I'll also be working on today adding connectors onto the wire harness here. So I'm just kind of playing around with the new layout since we have a new machine design here. So the wire lengths and the way it's going to lay out the machine has varied a little bit. So here's the setup that I'm going with. I'm going to add the connectors for the motors as well as our limit switches, lights, and emergency stop later on in about the next 10 or 15 minutes as soon as I'm done with the boxes. Then there are times when doing just troubleshooting on the spindle controllers here. One, make sure they work. If there's ever an issue, whether we have a damaged spindle, I'll troubleshoot a couple of these here, repair them. We had some issues with them, so I'm just testing just to verify they work. And these will just be used for internal testing on the spindle controllers. Thanks for joining us today. We'll see you guys in the next video.